Looking to upgrade your kitchen with effortless seasoning? Discover the 5 best electric salt and pepper grinder sets that combine convenience, style, and precision. Perfect for every home chef, these picks will make adding the perfect grind easier than ever, elevating your cooking experience with a simple press. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 electric salt and pepper grinder sets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own research, opinions, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and value when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information or updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the description box below. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. 5th on our list is the Home EC Premium Stainless Steel Sea Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. It's a manual, elegant choice for those who appreciate high-quality kitchen tools. Made with a durable stainless steel design and a clear glass spice chamber, this set allows users to see the remaining spice levels easily. The adjustable ceramic grinding mechanism ensures consistent and customizable coarseness, perfect for different culinary uses. As a manual grinder, it requires no batteries, which is an eco-friendly option and makes it quieter than electric models. However, some may find the manual grinding process slower or less convenient, especially when seasoning larger meals. The grinder's sturdy construction and classic look add a sophisticated touch, though it may require more effort compared to electric versions. Overall, the Home EC set is ideal for those seeking style, durability, and control, but may not be as convenient for those who prefer one-handed, automated options. 4th on our list is the Home Hero Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. It's a reliable and stylish choice for adding freshly ground seasoning to meals with ease. Designed with one-handed operation, it allows for simple, quick seasoning even while cooking. The adjustable coarseness feature gives control over spice texture, making it versatile for different culinary needs, while the LED light provides precision in dim settings. Crafted with a sleek stainless steel finish and transparent spice chambers, it adds a modern touch to any kitchen and makes it easy to monitor spice levels. However, its battery-powered design means replacements will be necessary, which could be inconvenient with frequent use. Additionally, the motor may produce more noise than some might prefer, which could detract from the cooking experience. Overall, the Home Hero set combines style and functionality, though noise and battery usage may be downsides for some users. Up next, 3rd on our list, is the Lidaop Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. It combines convenience with a sleek, modern design, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It features one-handed operation, allowing users to season food effortlessly while cooking. With adjustable coarseness settings, it lets you control the grind size, making it versatile for various recipes. The built-in LED light is a nice touch, illuminating the food as you season, which is particularly useful in dim lighting. However, like many electric grinders, it relies on batteries, requiring periodic replacements that might add to the upkeep. Some users have noted that the motor is louder than expected, which could be disruptive in a quiet kitchen setting. While the durable stainless steel and transparent spice chambers are visually appealing, those looking for a quieter, more eco-friendly option might find the battery dependence a drawback. Overall, the Lidaop set is practical, yet has minor limitations. 2nd on our list is the FRTONYI Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. It offers a stylish and user-friendly experience, perfect for those who enjoy freshly ground spices with minimal effort. With a simple one-handed operation and adjustable coarseness settings, it allows users to easily control spice texture for various recipes. The built-in LED light ensures accurate seasoning, even in low-light conditions. Made from durable stainless steel with a clear spice chamber, it's both attractive and functional, helping you monitor spice levels at a glance. On the downside, this grinder set relies on batteries, which may require frequent replacements if used often. Additionally, the motor can be a bit noisy, which might not appeal to those seeking a quieter option. Overall, the FRTONYI set is a stylish and convenient tool, though battery dependency and noise level may be minor drawbacks for some. Finally, our top pick is the ThermoMaven Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. It's a sleek, convenient option for those who appreciate fresh seasoning without manual effort. Featuring a one-handed operation, adjustable coarseness settings, and a powerful LED light for precision, it brings ease and style to any kitchen or dining table. The stainless steel design and transparent spice chamber offer a modern look while allowing you to monitor spice levels. However, its battery-operated functionality requires frequent replacements, especially with heavy use. Additionally, some users may find the motor slightly noisy compared to manual grinders. While the LED light is useful, it may feel unnecessary in well-lit environments. Overall, the ThermoMaven set combines style and functionality, but regular battery needs and noise could be drawbacks for some. We hope you found this list helpful and that it helped you choose the best electric salt and pepper grinder set for your needs. If not, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or concerns about our guide.